So today we're going to be testing out some new drugstore makeup that just recently launched, and we're going to do a first impressions. I picked up the new CoverGirl TruBlend Skin Enhancer Contour as well as their blush. I also have some new WetNWild, some Essence, and Maybelline. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have a confession. It's post Valentine's Day and Ava suggested that we go to Walgreens and get their 75% off Valentine candy. And we did. But they were also having a fantastic sale on a lot of their newer drugstore makeup. So I thought, why not? Let's check out all of these new products. I got the new TruBlend Skin Enhancer Contour as well as their blush. Never even opened this up, so we're gonna do it together. I'm excited, I can't wait for this. And then I also picked up the new WetNWild Chameleon Chrome Eyeliner. And check out this cute blush, the Juicy Melon Tinted Lip and Cheek Balm from Essence. This is only $3.99 and oh my gosh, these are also affordable. I can't wait to dive into these products and see how they turn out on my mature skin. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's go ahead and pin the hair back. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a great week. We actually got some snow here in Tennessee, and I really hope it's the last of winter because I'm so ready for spring. I mean, if it's gonna be cold outside, might as well snow. We got an impressive 1.5 inches. I know that sounds silly if you live in a colder atmosphere, but when it snows in Tennessee, everybody runs to the store and gets eggs, milk, and bread to make French toast. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you had a great week. I'm excited for this. I went ahead and applied primer. I went in with the Essence Hello Good Stuff Skin Refining Primer that's moisturizing with sea kelp. Not only does this really smooth out the pores, but it's also hydrating and moisturizing at the same time. Plus, it's super affordable. And I figured since we have some new Essence products to test out, let's go with the Hello Good Stuff. And it is some really good stuff. Now that we have our primer on, I'm ready to go in with foundation. And today's foundation is going to be from Maybelline, the Super Stay 30-Hour Lumi-Matte Foundation. Now, I recently did a review on this and I've been really enjoying it. I actually did a first impressions video with this and wow, it really knocked my socks off. It is that good. I'm in the shade 118, but it is a beautiful thin consistency foundation that looks really pretty on the skin. So what I like to do is pump a little bit on the back of my hand, and then just for a little bit of glowiness, I'm gonna put some Yummy Skin serum, just a little dollop, just to make it a little bit more luminous. And then I'm gonna mix it up on the back of my hand like that, apply it. This is a thinner consistency of a foundation, but it really does look beautiful on the complexion, especially for mature skin. Nice medium to full coverage. I like applying it with my fingertips and then taking a dampened beauty sponge and just blending it in. In my last video, I tested out the new NYX Buttermelt Glaze. That is a gorgeous skin tint, but I've really been enjoying that. But this has a little bit more coverage. This is more of a true foundation. But look at the coverage you get with this. This has such a thin consistency. You can literally build it up without getting cakey, especially if you use a dampened beauty sponge. Now for concealer, I'm just gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Concealer. You know this is one of my all-time favorite drugstore concealers. It has a super thin consistency. It's very hydrating, especially if you have a drier under eye like I do. And I'm just gonna apply it where I need it, right? Or I tend to get red and right through there. Very thin in consistency, super easy to blend out, and it really is easy to tap in. Foundation and concealer are on. Now we are ready to dive into the new CoverGirl TruBlend Skin Enhancer Contour Balm. I haven't even opened this up. When we went drugstore shopping yesterday for Valentine's Day candy, 75% off, I noticed Walgreens was having a sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So that's why I picked up the contour as well as their cream blush. They also have a cream highlighter, but I figured let's try the contour as well as the blush. I believe they retail for $12.99, but I'll be sure to put all the products listed down in the links below. Now, if you do click on those links, it does help out my channel a little bit, but if you don't, that's cool too. Haven't even busted it open yet. It comes in a plastic tube, And of course, the cap comes off. Ooh. First impressions. This reminds me so much of the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Very similar in packaging. Let's see how it feels first. Very balmy. It's supposed to be cool tone because we do contour. Oh my God, this looks like... I'm gonna turn down my lights so you can see. This shade kind of looks like, can I say this? It kind of looks like a poop stain. Sorry, I have no filter today. It really does not look appealing. There, I said it, but yeah, I apologize. But that's what it looks like to me. So I hope this looks better on me than it does. Yeah, it feels balmy for sure, but let's see how it is. I'm gonna warm it up, use my fingertips. Oh boy, this looks really not a pretty color. I don't really contour because I have a naturally high cheekbones. Thanks, Mom, I appreciate it. But I wanna see how well this does. And I'm just tapping it in as if I'm contouring. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna take a brush and just tap it in. Like I said, I don't normally contour. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Okay, and I apologize since I don't have pretty nails today. I'm trying to give my nails a break from all the press-on nails that I've been using in the last couple of months. And they're short, they're ugly, they're broken, but yeah, I'm just trying to let them grow out. I do a lot of typing at my job, and I just prefer really, really short nails. So it's a strange color, but yeah, let's go ahead and try the other side. It does remind me also of the Morphe 2 Sun and Done Smooth Gliding Bronzer Stick. And it really is going on smoothly. We're just gonna blend that out. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour the side of my nose and see how that looks. Oh, I can't believe I'm putting this color on the side of my nose. This seems to work really well right through here because it is a cool tone. Oh! It's definitely weightless, very balmy, but not too greasy. Like the dry down is really good. It doesn't crease or cake with zero harsh lines. It does have skin loving ingredients like jojoba oil, raspberry extract, and pomegranate. So yeah, I mean, this is not bad. This is pretty good for contouring. This is the contour stick, not bad. But I need a little bit of bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. bronzer. This is the Camo Liquid Bronzer. You know I've been really enjoying this. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit on the back of my hand. With bronzer, it's gonna be a slightly warmer tint to the skin. So it looks like you were out in the sunlight just to add a little bit of warmth. Because when you contour, you're using cool tones to create shadows. But with bronzer, you wanna create a little bit of warmth and a nice flush to the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and just kind of blend that bronzer in, adding a little bit more warmth. Now for the blush. Ooh, I'm excited. You know I love a good balmy blush, but I don't want it to be greasy and I don't want my hair to stick to it. So this is the TruBlend Skin Enhancer Blush Balm. And this is in the shade Nude Flush. These come in a variety of shades, but this is so beautiful. I figured it would be the perfect everyday shade. And of course, this has the same ingredients as the contour, the jojoba oil, raspberry extract. Swatch it right here on the inside of my wrist. That is very pretty. And it does feel balmy. And this is Nude Flush. Oh, this is pretty. This is going to be a perfect everyday shade. And it's not too sticky. Go ahead and, oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, Ava, thanks for picking this shade out for me. I tend to go for brighter colors like the bubblegum pinks and lavenders, but this is such a gorgeous shade. And if you have a Walgreens in your neighborhood, definitely check them out because this is a great deal. Buy one, get 50% off. And at $12.99 each, you're definitely gonna save a lot of money. This is beautiful. Look how pretty that is. This is like definitely perfect instant flush of color. Oh, this is gorgeous. And I didn't over blush today. Oh, maybe on my nose. But yeah, first impressions, I love this blush. This is really pretty. And think how easy this would be to travel with. The question is it gonna last all day? But I'll let you know in a pinned comment how it lasts. But yeah, this is so pretty. Okay, we've got our blush, our contour, our bronzer on. The complexion looks so pretty and natural. That's what I love. Okay, the next product that I want to test out is from WetNWild. It is from their new Chameleon Chrome line. It's a new multi-chrome eyeliner and it comes in several shades, but I picked up Cosmic Seeker. This is a multi-chrome eyeliner slash eyeshadow stick. And you know I love eyeshadow sticks that are super easy to apply, but this looks so intriguing to me. They also have a multi-chrome eyeshadow, but I can't wait to get this on the eyes. But before we apply the WetNWild eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Ultimate Edit in Warm Neutrals. This is a beautiful, affordable eyeshadow palette. It is 6 pans, all warm tones. I know, something different. So I'm gonna go in with this lightest shade through here and just kind of brush it all over the lid to set that concealer. Ooh, yes, very pretty. I'm gonna go up into the crease with the same brush, the second to lightest brown, and just hit above my crease. Like that. Gently buffing that in. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. And then I'm gonna go in with a very tight brush, same shade, and just run it along the lower lash line. Now it's not in the waterline, it's right where my lashes grow, or don't grow. And just smoking out the lower lash line like that. Yeah, this is a really good eyeshadow palette. I need to start pulling this out more. That's beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and try this as an eyeliner. Oh wow, that's so cool. Pretty easy to manipulate. Very creamy. So unique. Let's see what it looks like on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna try to avoid the waterline and just go where we hit with the eyeshadow. This is such an unusual eyeliner. It really is pretty. It shifts from burgundy to copper to almost a green tint. It is really stunning. This is a super simple eyeshadow look, but we're just elevating it to the next level using that chrome eyeliner from WetNWild. I think it really is pretty, but what I want to do next is go ahead and pop on some mascara, and we're going to test out the new Essence Juicy Melon Tinted Lip and Cheek Balm. So let me go ahead and throw on some mascara. Okay, mascara is on. Per usual, I don't know why I've been loving this mascara. It is from Maybelline, the Lash Sensational Firework mascara. Really good. I know, it's so crazy. I hated it when I first tried it out, but now it really is a fantastic mascara. It really lifts the lashes, gives it more volume, lengthens them. Yeah, this is fantastic. Okay, the next product I wanted to share with you is from Essence. You know I'm a huge fan of their products. This is their Juicy Melon Tinted Lip and Cheek Balm. This retails for $3.99, and I love this product because it is multi-purpose. You can use it on your cheeks as well as your lips, and what's unique about this, it actually reacts with your pH balance to give you your unique colors. Now, it does have a protective seal over it. I've been leaving it on there so it stays nice and juicy, and it does smell like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So let's see what it looks like on the lips. It's supposed to be a different shade of pink on each person, and I guess that's because of the pH reactiveness, reactiveness. But yeah, let's swatch it. Definitely feels balmy, definitely feels hydrating. This is the pH that it's gonna look like on my face. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna apply it to my lips. Oh wow, Oh gosh. It smells so yummy. Now, I'm not sure if this is my own unique shade of pink. Has anyone else tried this pH reactive cheap? It is definitely cheap. Cheek and lip balm? Let me know down in the comments because this is fun. Oh my goodness. Shall we add a little bit to the cheeks and see how it looks? Let's go ahead and add it right on top of the CoverGirl. Why not? Just a dot. Ooh. This is great because it's not picking up my foundation or the other blush. It's just adding a light hint of flush of pink. Oh, this is gorgeous. And here we are with the final look, you guys. First impressions, I have to tell you, right out of the gate, love the Skin Enhancer blush from CoverGirl. We all know the Lumi-Matte foundation from Maybelline is beautiful. It has that thin consistency, but provides beautiful medium to full coverage. It's so easy to apply, and it just looks great on mature skin, and it is super affordable. As far as the contour is, I love that it's cool toned. It works great in contouring the nose. And if you do like to use a contour stick, I think you would really like this. Me, on the other hand, I don't contour a lot except for my nose, but this works great as well. And let's talk about the Chameleon line from WetNWild, their Chrome Eyeliner Cosmic Seeker. I think it's beautiful. It really doesn't budge. I tried to remove it, but oh my gosh, it's gonna be on there really well. I don't know. It's just so unique and so pretty and super affordable. I think it's only like $6.99. Very comfortable as an eyeliner. It doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. Would I tightline with this? Oh, I don't think so. This is absolutely beautiful. So if you want something different and you don't want the complicated look of using an eyeshadow and getting that chrome effect, use the eyeliner so you do get some of that shift, some of that je ne sais quoi, that really cool look without spending time on an eyeshadow look. It's subtle, but it's still wearable for every day, and that's what I love about this. And let's talk about the Juicy Melon Tinted Lip and Cheek Balm from Essence. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. I love how it reacts to your own pH and see what type of shade of pink you're gonna get. But even as a blush, it is super pretty. It's hydrating. It's not too sticky. Like, this is the test. See? It's not sticking to my hair. So you know when it dries down, it's gonna give you that flush of color and also that hydration without being greasy or sticky. But 10 out of 10, love this Juicy Melon tint. First impressions, wow, we did great today. You never know what's gonna happen when you do first impressions. It could be really good or really bad. But I think we did so well today. But yes, those are my first impressions of these new CoverGirl, Essence, Maybelline, WetNWild products. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments if you're thinking about picking up any of these products. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. I would love it if you'd be a part of our family. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.